Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Saliha from Odontocare Dental Clinic. Wisdom teeth typically affect young people between the ages of 17 and 25. A wisdom tooth is a third molar in the back of the mouth. Some people have no issues when their third set of molars appears. Your wisdom teeth can get trapped if there is not enough space in your mouth for them. Yes, today let's discuss about wisdom tooth impaction. Tooth impaction is a condition where the third set of molars only comes through halfway or fails to emerge at all. Let's see what are the causes of tooth impaction. Impacted teeth stay embedded in your gum tissue or bone longer than they should. Overcrowding is usually the issue. Your wisdom teeth can also become impacted if they come in at a twisted angle or shift. You may be at risk for tooth impaction because of genetics or from not getting proper orthodontic treatment in time. Be aware that any of your teeth can become impacted. Children can have issues with the development of their permanent teeth. That often happens if the baby teeth do not fall out or when a cyst or other growth blocks the permanent tooth's path. The tooth may push out in the wrong place. Tooth impaction in children can lead to problems with the roots of other teeth. A child can end up with crowding or have teeth in positions that make it hard for them to chew. Impacted teeth can be extremely painful. The cosmetic effect of tooth impaction can also lead to issues with self-esteem. It's often easier for orthodontists to correct issues in children. Let's see what are the signs of tooth impaction. Some people never experience discomfort from impacted wisdom teeth. This means they do not know when there is a problem. But you may notice the appearance of your teeth change because the tooth impaction affects the rest of your mouth. Your dentist may be the first to alert you to possible issues with tooth impaction. They track the progression of the impacted teeth to determine the severity of the issue. Wisdom teeth that are out of position. This could leave room for food to become trapped and enable the growth of bacteria. Wisdom teeth that come through the gum line incorrectly. You may have a harder time flossing between your teeth. Partially erupted wisdom teeth. These give bacteria a place to grow and thrive. A lack of space for wisdom teeth. This often causes issues with neighboring teeth. The development of a cyst. Cysts can block a tooth from coming through the gum line. This may eventually damage the bone supporting your teeth. Tooth impaction can lead to symptoms like redness and swelling in gums, bad breath, pain and tenderness in the gums or jaw, problems opening your mouth, headaches, tooth decay, alignment problems with other teeth, and gingivitis. Treating tooth impaction includes X-rays. Dentists typically conduct X-rays to see how severe your tooth impaction is. Extraction. Your dentist may recommend having wisdom teeth removed if they are impacted and causing pain or other issues with your oral health and hygiene. If your wisdom teeth initially came in fine but start to decay, you may need them removed. You should continue visiting your dentist regularly to track the health of your teeth. Okay friends, I hope this video is useful. Subscribe to Dr. Odontocare for more interesting videos. Thank you.